Hello, guys. Come on in. Come travel with me home on the bus. I'm coming from work and I'm nearing my stop. How do you get home from work? Do you drive? Do you walk? Do you take the bus? Let me know in the comment section. I don't know if you can hear them, but there are some children on the bus and they're so excited traveling with their mother. Reminds me of my childhood days driving with my mom as well. Anyways, let's get back to business. Life has gotten so busy that I have not been able to upload the rest of my tea party videos, so I'm using this opportunity to share with you how I set up my tablescape for the event. Oh my goodness, I didn't even look. Okay guys, I'm home and if you're a flower lover, I just want to show you what I have for my entryway. And I'm sorry, I forgot the name of these flowers, but it's the third year I've planted it and I keep going back. I just like how dense it looks, right? And it's so easy to catch. And then these were damaged by the hail. Yeah. Just in case you're a flower lover, feast your eyes. We just had days of non-stop rain. Look at what the hail did. We're just trying to clean up. Hubby did the lawn recently, actually yesterday. So yeah, that's my flower. I'm currently not in direct patient care. If that was the case, I would take a shower. I don't know what you do after work, but with the weather being so nice now, I normally come outside in my garden. I just found one of my plants wilting. It wasn't watered, so that's my first task for the evening. What do you normally do after work? I really like coming outside, especially now it's summer and winter will be coming soon. I like to enjoy the outdoor space as much as I can. It's windy but yet beautiful, not super hot, and I'm grateful. And that's my tomato plant. Hopefully it wasn't stressed that much where it cannot redeem itself. See how wilted it looks? Guys, you know what this is? White has happened. I don't remember the type of tomato. It was gifted to me by someone at work. But this pot last year I had a bell pepper in it, and it's the same way it looked. The stem was so big and healthy. Okay, so that's done. I'm just gonna sit for a little bit, but let's get back to talking about tablescape. I've been doing a tea party for over 5 years, and I've seen a value in creating a stunning tablescape. If you want to see your guests smile from here to here, if you want to see them excited, I tell you, that's what a stunning table can do. It not only elevates the space, but it also lifts the mood. So I'd encourage you to prioritize creating something that is stunning for your guests. I must mention one other benefit, which is a mental health impact on you, the creator. You want to make happy hormones, just start designing something new. I'm a living proof of that. Let's pause the table talk for a while and focus on these plants. I hope you're a plant lover. My little container garden. Don't know if you know, but this is dill. I use it for garnish for my tea party. Great for fish. And rosemary. plant it every year for my turkey at Thanksgiving. And this is mint that I grow from cuttings. But they're getting a little bit yellow. As I mentioned, we had a lot of rains the other day and I left them outside, so I tried my best to drain it, but yeah. Anyway, the season is almost coming to an end. Get back to the tablescape. I was hoping to show you a full video, but when you are the sole videographer, it's really hard to get the footages. So I hope that you will gain something from what I was able to capture. The next clip coming after this will be some of the elements I use on the table. As I said, I couldn't show all of it. Then my next video will be the menu testing. Yes, I always like to test my menu before. And after that will be the day. I'm going to call it the day. So stay tuned and watch for more if you are interested in planning tea parties. Okay? Don't leave me, please. So the event would be what you'd classify as a micro event. 10 persons inclusive of myself and a baby. And you best believe it's a bit of a work, but you know what? I enjoy doing it. So days before or weeks before my prepping start, as you've been noticing, the basic table elements, the plates, utensils and all, I prepare them days ahead. Clean them, wash them, dry them, cover them so that they're ready to go. I envision a dense table filled with all things nice. I use a multi-vase centerpiece with the color palette, so different shades along with the aqua blues. This here is a kind of a rose gold placemat, and it's paper and it's a game changer. Okay, I also got these as well. They're napkin inserts. And as I said before, I do like using stationery. How cute is this? Sip, Savor, Celebrate. Empower Her 2025 is here. It's time to sip, savor, celebrate, value, and be grateful for sisterhood. Make memories with love, Christine. Okay, so let's talk about tokens. Some of these ladies have been with me from the inception, and this year I thought it fitting to get them some favors. So this is a rose soap. It's unscented. You can put it in this cute little bag. Oh my god, so feminine. It's one of the colors from the color palette, and I'm gonna put this in the bag. It is so cute. And then remember, the theme is love blooms, so I got these cute little tea strainers. Oh my god, it's a heart, just to remind them of the event and a little token of appreciation. I have honey dipper, and I got some loose leaf tea. These were added to the table to give it that full look I envisioned. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you what's inside, and it's very cost effective. So I package it. Isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? You tell me. All right, so the theme again, love blooms. This tea set represents the sweetness of his love, and I'm talking no other but Jesus. And the rose soap reminds us of his sacrifice, yet his love continues to bloom in our lives, in the garden of our hearts. Enjoy. And the event date, June 28th, 2025. Okay, I hope they will love it. Be inspired. Stay tuned for my upcoming video of the food tasting, then the grand finale.